Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Disk Utility and selecting the correct target disk. Once done, make sure View is set to show all devices so you can see physical drives and volumes. You choose the physical disk for partitioning or the volume for repair. This choice affects available actions. You should verify the disk name, capacity, and format before proceeding so you do not accidentally erase the wrong device. You now decide whether to repair, erase, or partition. If files behave oddly, run first aid and review the report. It fixes permissions and directory errors. If erasing, pick the correct format apps for modern macOS, macOS Extended for older versions, XFAT for cross-platform drives, and confirm the name and scheme. When partitioning, adjust sizes and create containers carefully, because resizing, you finish by applying changes, then mounting volumes and checking them in Finder. Once mounted, test file access and permissions. Make sure the expected free space and format appear. If you erased or repartitioned, restore data from your backup now. If Disk Utility reports persistent errors or an unmountable disk, restart into Mac OS Recovery and run first aid there, or use Target Disk Mode to recover files on another Mac. If hardware faults continue, contact a technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.